The Polaris Slingshot comes equipped with an automatic headlight system to help ensure that you're always visible to other motorists while driving. In fact, depending on your state, it may be required by law that your headlights remain on anytime the vehicle is in motion for both safety and compliance. However, there are specific scenarios where this always-on feature can become a drawback, like during bike nights, parades, or shows. In these situations, your Slingshot may be parked with your engine still running to keep your battery charged while you showcase your aftermarket lighting. The factory headlights can overpower your aftermarket lights and even blind fellow spectators. To solve this, we've partnered up with a team over at Phantom Shield to bring you guys a headlight on and off switch designed specifically for the Polaris Slingshot. This simple plug-and-play mod allows you to temporarily disable your headlights so that your aftermarket lighting can take center stage. Once the show is over and you're back on the road, just flip the switch to reactivate your headlights. The harness includes an integrated on and off switch and factory-style connectors that allow you to control both the upper and lower front accent lights. For those looking to control the center headlight as well, we also offer a plug-and-play add-on harness that tees off the primary harness, allowing you to control all front-facing headlights with a single switch. If your Slingshot did not come equipped with the lower accent lights from the factory like our S model, the harness can still be used to intercept and manage the signal for the upper lights only. In this case scenario, the connectors for the lower lights will be standing by should you decide to add the factory-style gap fillers with lower lights down the road. Without further ado, allow our team to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Slingshots. Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a dab of dielectric grease to the end of all connectors included with the kit. This protects the electrical connection points and components from moisture and corrosion. Release your hood latch so that you can open your hood. Starting on the passenger side of the vehicle, lift the release tab and unplug the connector from the upper accent light. If your vehicle is equipped with a lower accent light, unplug that light as well. Locate the passenger side of the harness. This is the side without the on and off switch. Plug the corresponding connector from the on and off harness into the connector you unplugged from the upper accent light. Then plug the remaining connector into the light housing. Then repeat this process for the lower accent light if applicable. Route the harness alongside the factory wiring harness across to the driver's side of the vehicle. Unplug the factory connectors going to both the upper and lower accent lights on the driver's side. Plug the matching connector from the on and off harness into the unplugged connector from the upper accent light. Then plug the remaining connector into the light housing. Then repeat this process for the lower light. If you also purchase the add-on harness to control your center headlight, pull up on the release tab so that you can unplug the connector from the center headlight housing. Then plug the corresponding connector from the add-on harness into the extension coming off the main harness located here. The remaining connectors are used to intercept the signal going to the center headlight like so. Plug in your on and off switch so that you can test out your handiwork. Make sure to connect red to red and black to black on both connectors. Start your engine and test the switch to ensure the headlights turn on and off as expected. If everything looks good, turn off the engine, wait a moment for the headlights to shut off, then unplug the switch so that you can mount it. On the driver's side of the vehicle, locate the plastic panel nearest the steering column. Then use a push pin removal tool to remove the 2 push pins shown here. so that you can pull out on the plastic panel. Next, we'll need a mounting hole for the included on and off switch. Before drilling, it's crucial that you check behind the plastic panel to make sure that you have adequate clearance for your selected drill bit and that it's free and clear from any components or wiring. You can use a step drill bit to drill the hole gradually, increasing its size until it matches the mounting diameter of the included switch. Feed one connector at a time through the mounting hole. Ensure that the switch fits snugly and seats securely. Then route the red and black power wires up into the engine bay. Push the plastic panel back into place and reinstall the factory push pins to secure it. Reconnect the red and black wires from the switch to the matching connectors on the main harness, then tuck away any extra slack and use zip ties to secure the wiring harness alongside the factory wiring, ensuring it's free and clear of any and all moving parts. If a Slingshot headlight on and off switch is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your ride, and feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.